y'all, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abby and I record lifestyle videos and basically whatever the heck I'm feeling. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install faux locks on my own head by myself. I'm going to show you guys how I make my parts on the back of my head and how I also install the crochet with the crochet needle. I think it's super beginner friendly, so if you're interested, stick with me, keep watching. So I always start off at the back of my head because honestly I just feel like it makes more sense, and I decided to go with medium-sized sections because that's how I prefer my faux locks to be. And obviously I cannot see the back of my head, so I have to use a small hand mirror, and I usually stand in front of a larger mirror so I can see the back of my head. I use a tail comb to section each box, and once I'm done each section I just braid down my natural hair. The back of my head is not always perfect, as you can see, but look at that. I did that. I was pretty proud of it. So once I get to my temples, I use my eyebrows and my eyes to gauge, to kind of make sure that they're both even on both sides. And as you can see, the part is not perfect, but it's okay. It doesn't look bad in the end. Don't worry about it. When I section each row, I try my best to stagger the braids so that it kind of looks like a brick wall. I do this so the hair looks more even and more full, and it doesn't look like there's some missing spots in the hair when you're done. The middle of my head is the hardest part for me to section because, as you can see, it is a lot thicker and it's just kind of an awkward spot on the head to get a straight line. But I did it, it's okay. After a while, just keep parting until you get the line that you like. Bring your body here right next to me. You look like the perfect band. This could be the perfect dance. So come on, let's go. Just flex on the beat. When it's high, we just turn up the heat. Bring your body here right next to me. You look like the perfect band. This could be the perfect dance. Come on, go ahead and just flex. Baby, let me flex with you, then go caress with you. So finally, I finished parting all of my hair. I did not need to use a hand mirror for the top. I decided to go with the middle part because that's my go-to. So I decided to finish off the crochet the next day. Here I am with all my parts done. So the hair that I use is Freetress soft faux lock hair in the color 2, and these are 20 inches long. I like using these because they're super easy to install and they feel super soft and they're super lightweight. I got them from my local black hair store, but you can also get them off Amazon for a really good price. So I was about to show you guys how I put on the crochet, but I was feeling kind of ugly, so I went back and put on some makeup. And now I'm going to show you guys how to put it in. So you open the needle and put it through at the root of the braid. Make sure that the needle is open because it will hurt if you do not open it. Then you're going to put the needle through the loop at the end of the crochet piece. And then you have to close the needle before you pull it through. This is very important because you do not want to pull your hair. And you're going to open up the loop at the end of the hair. And you're going to pull the crochet through the loop and make sure you pull it very tight so it stays secure. So this step is very important. Over here, I unravel the crochet hair in the opposite direction that it has been twisted, and then I rewrap it, but when I rewrap it, I twist it around the braid that I made with my natural hair. And I twist it all the way to the end of the braid. Down like loose change, let's try new things. Way you shake your body, give me mood swings. Running through my mind, she go Usain. Got me thinking about giving her my last name. The way you're moving, oh, my baby, they drive me crazy, oh, so crazy, oh, about you, my baby, oh, that's how I really feel. Be like, I wanna just rock your body. And then in order to tuck the end of my braid, I just rub it between my palms to make sure that it's nice and secure.
look like the perfect man. This could be the perfect dance. So come on, go ahead and just flex on the beat. For me, my baby, you've got me winding like so crazy around you. Oh, my baby, oh, not so idea. Be like, say, I wanna just rock your body, rock your body, rock your body. Be like, rock say, you think you might hurt somebody, hurt somebody, hurt somebody. I'm not trying to just work the middle, work the middle, work the middle. Just see a little, for a little. Hey, flex on the beat. When it's high, we just turn up the heat. Bring your body here right next to me. You look like the perfect man. This could be the perfect dance. So come on,